to go. Welcome to AP Workshops. Welcome to a little movie we're going to do in dedication to our V4 RF that we've had, our 2015 RF. This was our shop bike. This was the one that's on the Living With series on the YouTube channel. If you've not seen the Living With series, just have a quick look, tip into the search bar, AP Workshops Living With. This was the V4 that we used in that particular video. It's we've done an awful lot of work and it's been with us for a long time, but it is now time to go. Our friend Mark has bought the V4 and it's on its way to a new home, so we are going to try and find a newer bike to work on. Let's see what we can do with that, so keep your eye on what's going on, and like I said, it's just a bit of the end of an era, so we'll talk to you all soon.